Hey, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Brandon Johnson. I'm the owner of Southern Star Roofing. Today we are in Charlotte, North Carolina. We are very close to Matthews. I'm conducting a full-on roof inspection for our homeowner here. And I just wanted to share with you one quick fact, one quick tip on the very first thing that we look for if we're assessing the roof for hail damage. So obviously hail is moisture that rises and comes down as ice, and most of the time it's slung. It doesn't fall like rain, and that's why you'll have some houses on this side of the street that has hail damage, and then you have houses on the other side of the street that don't have hail damage. So just because your neighbor may have hail damage does not necessarily mean you do. But I do want to demonstrate the very first thing that we look for at Southern Star if we are trying to identify hail damage and if we feel there's hail damage in the area. So let me show you this one thing. We've got a heat stack here. So if there's hail damage in the area, we first thing we check for is these stacks right here. Heat stack or a box vent or even gutters and downspouts. We check that. We run a chalk across, and obviously if there's indentions, they're not going to get chalked. So these are our first tell-all whether or not there's storm damage in the area. At this point in time, we know that there's been damage, and it's up to us as honest professionals to make sure that that damage on the soft metal truly damaged the life of the actual shingle. And that's what hail damage does. It depreciates the life of the roof, and that's why it's covered under your insurance policy. But that's just a quick note. That's the first thing you look for when you're looking for hail damage. We're Southern Star Roofing out of Charlotte, North Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, and Greenville, South Carolina. Give us a call at our Charlotte location at 704-YES-ROOF, and we look forward to serving you guys. Thanks a lot. God bless. Bye-bye.